Hello everyone. Welcome to Popcorn by Axis Direct, a podcast that simplifies the world of investing for you.
Popcorn. Let's know how the market is looking today as we bring you the trade setup through the daily morning note. Starting with the overview of the markets. Asian markets are trading lower despite positive cues on Wall Street overnight, while investors take note of the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's decision to raise its official cash rate from 0.25% to 0.5%. Nikkei is trading lower by 1%. Hang Seng is trading lower by 0.83%, while Shanghai is shut for trading due to the holidays. Indian indices are expected to open lower. SGX Nifty was trading lower by 0.15%. Nifty opened with a downward gap but witnessed buying from the opening tick to end positively. Nifty closed at 17,822 with a gain of 131 points. Nifty futures closed at 17,830 on a positive note, with a 0.55% decrease in the open interest indicating short covering. Nifty futures closed at a discount of 8 points compared to the previous day premium of 17 points. Now, let's jump to the market news. Coal India Board has given approval to pre-feasibility report for setting up integrated greenfield aluminium project in Odisha and associated captive power plant by its subsidiary Mahanadi Coalfields. The master franchise agreement executed between Future 7 India Convenience, 7-Eleven Inc., Future Corporate Resources and Future Retail for developing and operating 7-Eleven stores within India has been mutually terminated. And Raymond Realty has forayed into commercial real estate, plans to launch premium residential units spread across 1 million square feet. Moving ahead, here are the technical picks for the day. HCL Technologies Limited with buy above at 1,314, stop loss at 1,300 and target prices between 1,330 to 1,345. Marico Limited with buy above at 560, stop loss at 554 and target prices between 566 to 572. And finally, let's have a look at the stock futures. Persistent Systems Limited, Nippon Life India Asset Management Limited, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited and Titan Company Limited fall under long build-up, whereas Dalmia Bharat Limited, ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited, Oberoi Realty Limited and Ipca Laboratories Limited fall under short build-up. That's it for today. We will see you back tomorrow morning with fresh updates of the market right here at Popcorn by Axis Direct. Till then, happy trading!
Popcorn. Stay on top of your investments with Axis Direct. Through powerful research, advanced tools, and multiple trading platforms, Axis Direct offers simplified solutions for all your investment needs. Log on to axisdirect.in to start your investment journey with us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.